So today class is regarding the cosmetic contact lenses. The first is a colored contact lenses. Colored soft contact lenses are also used in practice. The tints used in practice are three types. There prosthetic tints, cosmetic tints, and visibility tints. The visibility or handling tints are direct tints in which the soft contact lens is usually white and transparent. Certain tints like the light blue or the green transparent tints are added to improve the visibility of the lens to the patient during the lens handling procedure. They mainly do not affect the eye color when worn. So next is a cosmetic tint. They are used to enhance or change the eye color. They available in plain and powers. They are of two types, transparent and opaque. The tinted zone of the soft lens cover the iris color and change or enhances it. So next is a transparent tint. These lenses transmit 70% of the light. They are available in various shades. The tint is in the form of a concentric ring which has clear center pupil. So next is the opaque tint. They absorb or reflect all incoming light, therefore used to completely change or mask the underlying eye color. They have an iris pattern with a clear center pupil. The clear pupil is typically 5 millimeter in diameter. So next is a prosthetic contact lens. The prosthetic is a tinted or painted contact used to improve the appearance of a disfigured eye or to help to correct the vision of a poorly functioning eye. So what are the indications? So indication includes a corneal pasting and scar, as you can see in the image before. It's a corneal disfigured eye, but after the wearing of the prosthetic lens, the eye the cosmetic appearance will be looks like a normal fellow eye. So indications include aniridia, irregular pupil, iris coloboma, albinism, and occlusion therapy in amblyopia. So as you can see in the image, there's a hypermature cataract. You can see the center in a part, center or lens part having a white opaque lens, and B part we having a lens, a cosmetic color, cosmetic contact lenses, that's a type A, in which the center area is a black pupil and it's the opaque one. When we go through with contact lens, it see, you can see the white portion of the lens is been corrected by the black and it looks like a normal, while the patient cannot see with this eye. Microphthalmos, same as in microphthalmos, as you can see in the B image, the cornea or a microphthalmos small eye with the help of contact lenses type um, type C. We having the uh, cosmetic appearance is same as in the fellow eye. So types as a scalar lenses as soft lenses. Scalar lenses advantage when a corneal lens will not center on the cornea when one wishes to improve the appearance of the sclera as stable, durable, and easy to maintain. So disadvantages require a greater level of expertise to fit, and it is expensive. So soft lens indication, what are when a significant proportion of the anterior eye is disfigured or the corneal opacity or the cornea scar, when the patient is a previous soft contact lens wearer, the patient only wants to wear the lens occasionally. So contraindications mean the eye in which having a side effect of the contact lens is that the eye with moderate to advanced neovascular means balloon blood vessels in the cornea cannot wear the lenses. Moderate to extreme rare cannot wear. Irregular astigmatism cannot wear. People with motor coordination problem cannot wear the lenses. So as you can see, it's a type A with the center black pupil, but iris color is absent, totally absent, or you can say it's a transparent type of lens in the periphery. So type B, center portion having a almost black or blue in color. Type B. Type C is a center white and the periphery is the iris. Type D is both iris having iris color or a center black. The fitting requirements. It measures the iris diameter of the fellow eye and order it the same. Note the iris and color what type of tint is required. Measure the diameter of the pupil of the fellow eye. Specify whether black, clear, or tinted pupil is required. When reordering tinted, keep the lens material the same. So this is the prosthetics of contest. The type A is like as an occluder, which will be included in the indicated in the case of amblyopia. Type C, which with the patient of aniridia. Type B, in the way the patient having a iris color, and we can go for this type B. Type C, in which the cornea is totally disfigured. So material is polyhydroxyl methyl acrylate. Base curve is 8.6. MRP is about 12. So water content is 70%, and diameter is about 14. Thank you.